Super nag-enjoy po kami.
Ganda yung trail, ganda yung guide, kumpleto lahat. Okay na okay.
Dito ko na-experience ng kakaibang trail na bago sa amin.
Grabe na challenge ang trail, napakaganda. Mahirap pero enjoy.
Enjoy namin yung trail kasi smooth flowing naman yung all throughout ng trail. Medyo konting ano lang, putik lang.
Ang naging challenge sa akin dito sa Dirt and Play is yung putik. Na-overcome ko siya, tinulak, ni-ride ko pa rin, pero all good siya. Maganda, maganda.
Last pag na rin po, groggy. Yun po, tinis na lang po. Tapos po yung marematihan po namin dalawa dito, tinis ko na lang po kasi pulikat ko po, dalawang hita na. Yun, buti po nakachamba, nakalusot po.
Actually, the biggest challenge is the layout of the trail. Kasi I'm not from the south, so I don't usually ride the Silang Trail. So a good thing is yung mga corners and all that, may mga bantings and may mga marshals. So a challenge as well is yung women's category, medyo sa one of the latter categories siya na binitawan. So the overtaking stuff na naabutin namin yung ibang boys is quite a challenge kasi maraming single tracks inside. So overall naman, it was a great race. I really had fun. Thank you so much to Hacienda Designer Outlets for hosting yung event namin today. Congratulations to all the winners and of course to the organizers. It's such a fun event.